Become more competitive with the neurodiverse. Neurodiverse are diamonds in the rough that gets underused or are completely missed because they shine too brightly among the coal. One of the challenges that neurodiverse face is that while many are highly educated with master's or PhD in practical hands-on experience, due to external challenges such as the interview process, misunderstandings, or company culture, they are excluded from many opportunities. Watch till the end to learn what these are. Neurodiverse superpowers. In comparison to the neurotypical, the neurodiverse have a mixed bag of superpowers that are continuously sought after in business. For instance, the following are skills you would find in ADHD, dyscalculia, dysphoria, dyslexic, Asperger's, and autism. Intense focus, visual skills, creativity, problem-solving skills, ability to work under pressure, multitasking, task switching, practical hands-on skills, strategic and holistic thinkers, and strong memory and observation skills, as well as mathematical thinkers. Many businesses welcome the shine from these neurodiverse. For the last few years, in such regions as Germany, Denmark, North America, and Australia, there has been an increase in demand for neurodiversity programs in both business and governmental bodies. The peak of the demand derives from the realization that they are proficient in executing their expertise as mentioned above. As a result, they are seeing an increase in productivity and innovation. How can your business start to welcome the diamonds in your business? Create a new inclusive culture. There is a reason that neurodiversity people feel that they cannot divulge their challenges and superpowers. That is because they are excluded by their peers and punished by their managers for their differences. Businesses need to change this mindset and develop an environment of openness and respect for how people think and perform differently. Don't go anywhere yet. Be sure to watch to the end to hear my useful tips. Train your managers and follow team members. Those in leadership positions will need to become more aware and sensitive, create productivity strategies, and communicate more effectively. Managers will need to know what neurodiversity is, who falls under this category, and what skills and tools they will need to direct their team members in their offices. Leaders must learn to be respectable and to ensure fellow employees are as well. It is important that all parties raise people to new levels and not disrespect their neurodiverse colleagues. If you're enjoying this video, then watch Task Management, what it is and how to implement it with your team. You can find the link here. Allow for and supply reasonable accommodations. What are reasonable accommodations? Depending on their needs, as they will differ from person to person, accommodations are tools or special arrangements that aid that person to function productively. For example, for dyslexia, it could be a program or a screen for the monitor that will allow them to read more effectively. While for an autistic coworker, it could be noise-canceling headphones. In either case, this allows them to perform and fulfill their duties in their job. Develop more diverse ways to conduct the interview process. One of the many challenges for the neurodiverse people, in particular for those with autism, is getting through the door. This is due to how recruiting is currently practiced. To start, we base too much on presentation and personality. Social cues can be very challenging for autistic people, depending on what level of the spectrum they are on. In such cases, an individual shouldn't be judged on how well they can hold a good conversation, but assessed on how well they can do the job. For another neurodiverse people, presentation is not an issue. It may be what happens on the job and how they perform. In this situation, those with ADHD or dysphoria, for example, should be encouraged to be open and to express this in an interview process without the fear of being automatically disqualified for fear of being seen as a problem or not a good fit for the team. What is a good fit? A good fit is how a business adapts to allow for highly qualified people so they can get a competitive edge in their company. When you change your corporate environment and cater to the skills you require, you allow for more out-of-the-box thinking, which in turn produces a growing business. If you found this useful, then take a moment to subscribe, leave a comment, and take a leap and transform.